Now let's just take a quick look at the mathematical operation happening inside of our F string. You see we've got plus 1 colon O3D. In this lesson, we're focusing on that plus 1 part of this expression. This demonstrates how Python's addition operator works within complex expressions to create dynamic calculations. What's happening step by step? First, len self.entity database executes and returns a number. If our database, let's say, has 5 entities in it, then it's going to return 5. Then plus 1 adds to that result, giving us 6. So inside of that F string, we're performing this calculation. So finally, this calculated value gets formatted and embedded into our string, creating entity 006, in this case, if we had 5. This addition operator is crucial for our sequential numbering system. We help everything progressively continue logically. Incrementing sample numbers, creating sequential experiment IDs, generating progressive data labels. The addition operator enables automatic progression without gaps or duplicates, and it's just one of those fundamental basic things, demonstrating how mathematical operations integrate seamlessly with function calls and string formatting to create powerful dynamic code.